Arthur's Seat and Edinburgh Castle stand out as the city's top attractions because they combine breathtaking natural panoramas with powerful historic grandeur, offering the most iconic views and storytelling experiences in Edinburgh. As we head over towards Arthur's Seat, which by the way is within walking distance from the train station, please enjoy some photos of picturesque Edinburgh. The Scott Monument is a towering 1840 Gothic tribute to Sir Walter Scott, offering a 221-step climb to panoramic views, a first-level museum with stained glass windows. Arthur's Seat is Edinburgh's iconic hill, an ancient extinct volcano rising above the city and offering one of the best panoramic viewpoints in Scotland. It's easy to reach, relatively easy to climb, and packed with geological and historical significance. Arthur's Seat is the highest point of Holyrood Park, standing about 251 metres above sea level. Human activity dates back to the Iron Age, with 4 ancient hill forts in the area. Edinburgh's history stretches back to ancient settlement on Castle Rock, where a fortress has stood since at least the Iron Age, later becoming a key stronghold of the medieval Scottish kings. By the 12th century, it had grown into a thriving borough centred around the Royal Mile. Over the centuries, the city has expanded beyond its cramped old town into the elegant Georgian new town, becoming a centre of Enlightenment thought, literature and science, and ultimately evolving into the culturally rich capital of Scotland known today. Perched high on its ancient volcanic rock, Edinburgh Castle commands the skyline as the city's most powerful symbol. For over 1,000 years it has witnessed battles, royal triumphs and some of Scotland's most dramatic moments. Inside its fortified walls you'll discover the honours of Scotland, the nation's crown jewels, along with the legendary Stone of Destiny, used for centuries in the coronation of Scottish monarchs. Wander through the Great Hall, where kings once feasted, and stand beside Mons Meg, the massive medieval cannon that once defended the fortress. Every corner reveals another layer of history, from the prisons that held war captives to St. Margaret's Chapel, the oldest surviving building in Edinburgh. And when you reach the battlements, the reward is unforgettable. Sweeping views across the city, from the winding Royal Mile to the distant rise of Arthur's Seat. Edinburgh Castle isn't just a landmark, it's the living story of Scotland, towering proudly above its capital. Edinburgh's Royal Mile, stretching from the castle to Holyroodhouse, is a historic spine packed with character, architecture and atmosphere, making it the city's most iconic street to explore. Holyroodhouse is the Scottish royal residence at the end of the Royal Mile.